Alright, so I'm gonna put some lights in this 1232 John boat. So what I got was switches I ordered off Amazon. I'm gonna mount them down here. Just gonna cut this out, mount it there, and then I'll run the electric through the sidewalls here. Here we go. Alright, here's what we're dealing with. So, got the hole cut out. Switches should go in there, like so. And I'll just snake the wires through there, run the conduit down, and hook it up. All right. Okay, so here it is. I got the nav lights all installed. The switch is mounted here. Off, on. Looks pretty good. So what I did was I got the marine wire, Romex, ran it from the battery up here and just paralleled off that with a quick connect for the trolling motor. So now I can have trolling motor. And I can disconnect it when I'm not using it and have it stored. It's not drawing any power, hopefully. When I had run the PowerFlex marine cable, so I ran it through the sides over here. I had leftover HydroTurf, so I just got creative and covered it up so that you wouldn't see the wiring there. If it sticks as good as it did to the seats, it's going to stay right there. And so I also have 12 volt socket and USB plugs too. That's it. So when I ran the wiring for the lights, I just drilled a hole in the bottom of that side rail and then just fished the wires all the way down there. Came out, tucked up underneath there, kept it nice and neat. Did the same going all the way up to the front. And I came out right there, mounted the front nav light there, and just screwed it to the bow. I think it turned out pretty good. It was not too difficult, just took time. I was not working to get back out here and finish it up. And I did a little bit of camo work too on the boat. Just trying to mix it up, kind of blend in with the seats a little bit. These are just cheap stencils I got off of Amazon and used 3 different colors. It's coming along pretty good. Gotta do some more fishing, catch some fish out of this thing. Alright, well, if this helped you, leave a like. If any comments, please do. I like the comments when you guys ask questions or tell me how I could do something different or better. Drop a comment, I appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to follow along more of the builds we're doing. And hopefully having fun fishing and boating. So, alright, thanks again. Thanks for watching. Alright, this is how they look at night. They're pretty bright. So, switches are lighting up there. I use this one to control the lights, and that second switch for controlling the power to the switches.